Today, we're going to learn how to create pet washing AI videos. Take a look at this video. It looks amazing and it feels completely real. The best part is, I created it in just 2 minutes. So, let's jump right into the tutorial and get started. First, we're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. Then, we'll send it over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for us. All we have to do is choose the one we like, send the idea number back to ChatGPT, and it will generate everything we need. Now it's time to create the video. Head over to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, then select Image 9:16, X1, and Nano Banana 2. Next, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Scene 1 Image Prompt. Return to Flow, paste the prompt, and hit Send. Once the image has finished generating, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Scene 1 Video Prompt. Then return to Flow, click Here, and select Video, Frames, 9:16, X1, OmniFlash, and 8 seconds. Click Start, choose the image, click Add to Prompt, paste the prompt, and then hit Send. After the video is finished, go to the last frame of the video and click Save Frame. This will create the starting image for the next scene. Now, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Scene 2 Video Prompt. Return to Flow, click on the image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and press Send. Once Scene 2 is complete, go to the last frame again and click Save Frame. This will generate the starting image for the following scene. Then, simply repeat the exact same steps for Scene 3. After that, repeat everything one more time for Scene 4 until you reach the end of the video. And that's it! You've successfully created your pet washing AI video from start to finish. Goodbye!